Welcome everyone to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Wednesday, January 18th, 2023. Let's go ahead and jump right in, keeping in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure you follow along. Subscribe to us here on YouTube. Ring the bell. Make sure you get notifications of all the videos that we put out there and all the other trainings we put out there. But make sure you head over to tradinglikeaboss.com. Do not miss out on that, folks. We have all of our free resources that are available to you or housed on that page. So go ahead and check it out, including a brand new training done by one of our top instructors, Tony Benson, on becoming a pattern whisperer, how to really look at the patterns and own what it is that you see. All right, with that, let's go ahead and jump in. We'll start off with Forex Factory today, and we're going to look at the economic reports, and we have, let's see, red. We've got 8:30 PPI today, retail sales. Those are the two main ones. You got the WF annual meetings, but these are really the primaries, what we've got to contend with. You've got orange left for the week, nothing crazy, but you do have Brainerd speaking tomorrow afternoon, 1:15, and then you have Waller speaking on Friday at 1 p.m. All right, so with that, let's go take a look at the futures. And let's see where we are right now with the futures. So ES up 9.75, the YM up 42, the NASDAQ up 32, RUT up 3, Bitcoin down 160, 21K. They've had a great run in the last couple of days. Ethereum's up to almost 1,600. They're down a little bit today. Gold's up 8.5, and crude is up $1.44 to 81.90. All right, so let's go jump in and take a look at our candidates. The very first one is EXAS. They received a downgrade today. They're down $1.16. Now they've had a massive, it's a pharma company, biotech. They've had a massive run the last couple of days. They get up to $67 or $68.38, and now they're down a whole $1.16. It puts them at $67.22. Now I was going to take this one right off the list today and not even share it with you because it doesn't work. But the reason I left it on was, look where we are, $67.22. We have a support line at $67.25. Right? Fibonacci's work. Right? You need to focus on these things. And if you don't fully understand them or you're newer to Fibonacci's, here, you know what? Go over to tradinglikeaboss.com and right here, second row, Fibonacci, today's power indicator. It is a 3-part series, so you get 1 part each day. It'll give some training, some things to do in there, but it'll give you a good understanding of what we look at when it comes to fibs. All right? So we're gonna say next on this one. I am really not interested whatsoever. Itty bitty machine, IBM. They got a downgrade from Morgan today. Now they have been in a bullish bias, but they already were down today. They're down another $1.16 today at $67.22. Let's see. That puts no, my bad. I need to actually bring IBM up on the option chain. They're up down 271 to 142.5. So it puts them below the 8. It puts them below the 21, below the fib line. Yes. 142.5, 143.5, 144. We're going to do a bear call spread above 144. You might want to consider that one to be aggressive because we're a little bit tight to that level there. You could go above the 147. Just a little bit further away, you're probably not going to get a whole lot of premium. Moderna, back in the news again, baby. Their RSV Vax, 84% positive show, blah, 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 right? So they're $14.31. It puts them at $205. So I love it, right up above this $200 level. So we can look at a bull put spread below 200, and I would do that aggressive, or we could look at a bull put spread below 189, which is way back down yonder, if you can get any premium for it. STX. Next, they got an upgrade from Morgan Stanley today. They already were in a bullish bias. They're not in a true bull. The moving averages are not in the right order. They're kind of convoluted there, mixed up, right? It needs to be pink, green, brown is the right order. Ain't what we got right now. It's pink, brown, green. So those two, brown, green, 55 and 21, are mixed up. On STX, we are up $1.72 to 58.70. So it just gets us above here. I love that. Love, 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 love that. But let's see if we need to fib it. 49.5 to 57.5. So 49 to 57 is 8 points. Oh, goodness. Yes, we need a fib it. We certainly do, Ollie. We certainly do. So let's go put in a negative 136. We're also going to add a 118. We need both of them in there. Let's just get them done. So, get X out of that. So we're up above that, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so we're going to look at a bull put spread below 54. Right? I need to be further away from that fib line. If you want, or you could do a bull put spread below 56, which is the 8 EMA. But I would do that one as aggressive. Last but not least, one of my favorite stocks to talk about, Tesla. Elon's back in the news today, and this has nothing to do with the move today on them selling the cappuccino machine. All right? That's not what's happening there. They are, Morgan Stanley talking about the positivity of the lowering of prices on EV, what it's going to do for the market and for the shares of EV stocks, period. Tesla's just the recipient of it today. They're up $4.82, brings them up to 136 and jingle. So we're going to look at 136. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 130. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you back here first thing tomorrow morning. Bye for now.